Hello there, and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to browse with Firefox browser on Android TV. Now, on your Android TV, to get the browser in the first place, go to Apps, go to Google, and under Google, you want to search for the browser of choice. So today we're looking at Firefox. So click on Firefox, search on it with the keyboard, and you find the one from play.google.com. That's the one you want. Click on that link, and when you're in, I want you to click on the install button now pop up right here. In my case, I have an open button because the app is already installed on my Android TV. Now, if you do not have it installed, click install. It will take a couple of seconds to download. Depending on internet speed, it will take you a couple of seconds to maybe a minute. And when it's downloaded completely, you're going to see an automatic installation process. You'll just find the app ready in your app library. Now, you could access it through the app library. You could just click on the open button right here and access the app. So when you get here, you want to continue. The next step is to sign in. So you have to set Firefox as the default browser, but that's by choice. If you do not want to, you can just tap on cancel, and you could choose to sign in with your account, and that will involve your account and your password. Else you could choose not now, and you could choose a theme. I'm choosing to stick with the automatic system UI, and I'm taking save and continue. So you have to pick a toolbar placement. Do you want it at the top or at the bottom of your device? The top works fine for me, and I hit save and continue. At this point in time, you have the Firefox homepage. You can choose Google, Wikipedia, and other stories are on the bottom of the screen. So this is accessible for you to browse. You could browse all of this, or you could just go up to the search bar and search for a topic you're interested in. So for example, if I want to search for the topic Man City, give it a couple of seconds and it loads. So when you search for a prompt like this, you have the search results. I can see what Man City is a football club, what people are saying about it, all the links, the websites, the blog pages, and all that good stuff. So that's how to browse the internet using the Firefox browser. If you found this insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with good content just like this.